everyone, and welcome back to the English Conversation Club. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mike. We are so happy to be here with you today. Emma, you look very excited today.
I am, because today we are covering a topic that makes many learners nervous: how to introduce yourself in English.
That is a very important topic. It's a classic. Everyone needs to know this.
You're right, many learners tell us, I don't know what to say about myself, or I feel shy when I meet new people.
We understand. Introducing yourself can feel scary. But don't worry, today we will make it simple, easy, and fun.
By the end of this video, you will feel confident saying, hello, my name is, and so much more. Before we start making it easy and fun, we have a small favor.
If you want to join our club and improve every day, please click the subscribe button and give us a like. It helps our family grow.
And ring that notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new videos every day to help you speak English with confidence.
Exactly. Now, Mike, are you ready to learn the first magic phrase for introductions?
I am so ready, let's go. Let's start with the basics. If you meet someone new, what is the first thing you say?
You should use the phrase, hi, my name is Emma, nice to meet you. It is polite and clear.
Oh, that's great. Instead of just saying, I am Mike, which is correct but very short, we say, hi, my name is Mike. Nice to meet you. It sounds much more natural and friendly.
Exactly. Notice we use the present simple tense, my name is. We use is because your name is a fact, it doesn't change.
Let's practice. Everyone at home, repeat after me. Hi, my name is, nice to meet you. One more time. Hi, my name is, nice to meet you.
Wonderful, you sound great.
Okay, what comes next in an introduction?
After your name, people often want to know where you are from. Use this magic phrase, I'm from country/city.
For example, I'm from the United States, or I'm from Tokyo, Japan.
You can also say, I come from Brazil, or I was born in Mexico. All of these are correct.
Here's a tip. I'm from is more casual and friendly. I come from is a little more formal.
Your turn, repeat after me, I'm from your country. Excellent, one more time.
Now let's talk about your job or what you do. This is very common in introductions.
Use the phrase, I work as a job, or I'm a job.
For example, I work as a teacher, or I'm a software engineer.
If you are a student, you can say, I'm a student. I study subject at school or university.
And if you are looking for a job, you can say, I'm currently looking for work, or I'm between jobs right now.
These phrases are polite and professional, much better than just saying no job.
Practice time, repeat, I work as a, or I'm a student. Great job.
Finally, let's make your introduction interesting. Talk about your hobbies.
Use this phrase. In my free time, I like to activity, or I enjoy activity.
For example, in my free time, I like to read books and watch movies.
I enjoy playing soccer and cooking. Notice we use the ing form after enjoy playing, not enjoy play.
That's an important grammar point. After enjoys, like, and loves, we often use the ing form. Your turn, repeat, in my free time, I like to. And one more, I enjoy.
You're doing amazing. Let's quickly review our magic phrases.
Number 1, hi, my name is, nice to meet you. Number 2, I'm from place. Number 3, I work as a job, or I'm a student. Number 4, in my free time, I like to hobby.
4 simple phrases. That's all you need for a perfect introduction.
Okay, let's do a full role play. Mike, pretend we are at a party and we are meeting for the first time.
Great idea. I love parties.
Okay, here we go.
Hi there, I don't think we've met. My name is Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mike. I'm Emma.
Emma, that's a lovely name. So where are you from?
Thank you, I'm from London, England. How about you?
Oh, cool, I'm from New York in the United States. So what do you do, Emma?
I work as an English teacher. I teach online classes.
That's wonderful. I'm a marketing manager at a small company.
That sounds interesting. So what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy playing guitar and hiking. How about you?
I like to read books and travel to new places. I also enjoy cooking Italian food.
Me too. Maybe we can share recipes sometime. It was really nice meeting you, Emma.
It was nice meeting you too, Mike. Let's keep in touch.
Definitely. Here's my contact. Talk to you soon.
Sounds great. Bye for now.
And scene C. It's just a conversation. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on communication.
That's right, a smile and eye contact go a long way too.
Did you notice we used all 4 magic phrases?
Yes, let's count them. My name is nice to meet you. I'm from. I work as. In my free time, I enjoy.
When you put them all together, you have a complete, natural introduction.
Here's a bonus tip, ask questions back. When someone asks, where are you from? Answer and then say, how about you?
This keeps the conversation going. People love to talk about themselves.
It shows you are interested and friendly.
Let's do one more role play. This time, let's make it a little more formal, like a job interview.
Great idea. This is very useful for our viewers. As interviewer, hello, please come in and have a seat. Could you please introduce yourself?
As candidate, of course. Good morning. My name is Michael Johnson. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Michael. Please tell me a little about yourself.
Certainly, I'm originally from Chicago, but I've been living in Los Angeles for the past 5 years. I work as a project manager, and I have 7 years of experience in the technology industry. I'm passionate about teamwork and problem solving. In my free time, I enjoy reading business books and volunteering in my community.
That's wonderful. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for this opportunity. I'm very excited to learn more about this position.
Did you hear the difference?
Yes, in a job interview we are more formal. Instead of hi, we say good morning. Instead of nice to meet you, we can say it's a pleasure to meet you.
We also give more details, like how many years of experience we have.
But the structure is the same. Name, where you're from, what you do, and something personal.
Exactly. Once you know the pattern, you can use it anywhere.
Now we want to hear from you. It's time for our question of the day.
Today's question is, can you introduce yourself in English?
Go to the comment section right now and write a short introduction about yourself.
Use our 4 magic phrases. Your name. Where you're from. What you do. Your hobbies.
For example, I'll go first. Hi, my name is Mike. I'm from New York. I work as an English teacher. In my free time, I enjoy playing guitar and making YouTube videos.
And here's mine. Hello, my name is Emma. I'm from London. I'm also an English teacher. I love reading, traveling, and drinking tea.
Now it's your turn. Write your introduction in the comments below.
We read every comment, and we love learning about our club members from around the world.
Don't be shy. Even if your English isn't perfect, just try. That's how you learn.
And if you see another learner's comment, why not reply and say, nice to meet you? Let's practice together as a community.
That's what the English Conversation Club is all about. Learning together.
Before we go, here are 3 bonus tips for introducing yourself.
Tip number 1, smile. A smile makes you look friendly and confident.
Tip number 2, speak slowly. It's okay to take your time. Native speakers will appreciate it.
Tip number 3, practice in front of a mirror. It really helps.
And remember, everyone feels nervous sometimes. Even native speakers, the more you practice, the easier it gets.
You did a wonderful job today. Be proud of your progress.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You are on the right path.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Let's grow our club together.
And don't forget to write your introduction in the comments. We can't wait to meet you.
Stay safe, stay confident, and keep practicing every day.
Your English is getting better with every video you watch.
We believe in you. Goodbye for now. See you in the next club meeting.
Take care, everyone.